Hello, y'all. Good afternoon. Today is February the 20th. I came on here because I want to do a quick Marshall haul. I went to Marshall's. I got these toasters. You get 5 of them. Y'all, look. This is my favorite. This is a root beer candle. A root beer candle. That's the candle thing. I don't have a lighter, but when you smell it, it smells just like root beer. See how it has it's decorate the designs. DW root beer. I'm gonna be liking this. I always wanted to get one of these. So I got these. This, the butterfly kind. Put ice in it. And they got the little straw. So I got this in the butterfly shape. And I also got this set right here. It's the 2-in-1. Blue and green. I'm gonna get the green one. And Terrence gonna get the blue one because that's our colors. Blue and green. He like green. He like blue. I like green. So these are the little cups. They look like this. Let's open them on camera. I haven't opened them yet. So let's open them on camera. Let's get them open on camera. I've seen a lot of people on YouTube and TikTok with these. And I said, I want to try them out. So I got the 2 sets. And I'm going to go back and get my kids. Monique, I love these. I'm going to go back and get Monique some. But this how they look. This is the green one. This is the blue one. And close them back up. Put the straw back in. But yeah, y'all. I don't know how I closed it. But they all came from, all this stuff you see right here in the toasters came from Marshall's. And I got some of this, the 2-in-1 face cleaner. This smell like, what is this? 2-in-1 face cleaner. Vitamin C. It smells like oranges. But this is what it was. So I got all this stuff. I always want to do a quick haul. But this all the goodies I got from Marshall's. They had a real good sale. I'm so excited. Because I ain't never seen no candle like this before in my life. So this is my video for today. And I'm going to go on TikTok. I don't know my TikTok name, but I'm going to find it. And I'm going to tell y'all about it. But this the video. Oh, I can't stop. This candle smells just like, so you know I'm finna go to the store and buy one. I put some ice in this cup. It's on and popping from here. All right. Like, comment, subscribe. Share this video with your friends and family. I'm finna put some hand sanitizer on the end of this cup in my hands. Yeah, y'all. So you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends and family. I want to do some short videos right now. And then like when the summertime comes, we'll get into long videos. Because I don't really be doing nothing but staying home. And the stuff I do, clean it up, it be boring. So I don't do no videos like that. But yeah, I will see y'all tomorrow in my next video. Me and Terrence supposed to go out tonight on a date to the Riverwalk. If we go, I will record it. But if not, I will see y'all tomorrow. Hit Marshall's up. They got some good deals. Hit Marshall's. They got some good deals. Y'all smell. Y'all drink. All right, I will see y'all later. Because I'm finna get me some fruit beer like this candle, baby. All right, bye.